Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by setting up a dedicated bait station, an aerated bucket or 5-10-gallon cooler with a tight lid. Add dechlorinated water and install a battery aerator to supply oxygen. This prevents stress and mortality. Check temperature with a thermometer and aim for 50-65 degrees F depending on species, because metabolism and oxygen demand scale with temperature. Once done, let water settle for 10 minutes before adding bait, and make sure the aerator creates gentle circulation, not a harsh current. You now add bait using a simple acclimation routine. Float the transport bag in the tank and gradually mix small amounts of station water for 10-15 minutes to equalize temperature and chemistry. Feed sparingly, 1/4 portion once daily, because excess food raises ammonia and hurts gill function. Check water quality with test strips and perform 20-30% water changes when ammonia or nitrite rise. Also clean the aerator intake and rake out debris. Consistent low-stress conditions keep bait lively longer. You finish by preparing bait for storage and transport. Keep them in an insulated container with continuing aeration and stable 50-65 degrees F temperature, because swings cause shock. Store the station in shade and do partial water changes daily to maintain water quality. If you plan long trips, pack spare batteries and a small water conditioner bottle. If bait gasp at the surface or die, immediately check oxygen, temperature, and ammonia. Perform a quick 20-30% water swap and boost aeration to recover survivors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.